Okay, class, we start chapter 9 today, yeah? Okay, it's about solution of triangles. Okay, class, we'll have a look for this chapter, solutions of triangles. Okay, first we learn about sine rule. Sine rule. Okay, so you see here for sine rule, what you must take note, yeah, okay? Just a minute, I show you this one first. So for any triangles class, okay, normally for this type of questions, mostly given for, it's not a right angle, okay? It's not a right angle triangle, yeah? Okay, let's say, mostly will give you the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means yang tak sama sisi. So what is related here? Okay, first of all, we learn about this formula. Okay, let's say I give you A, B, C. So normally we write that now, opposite of the angle of A, I write this small letter A to represent the length. See, B and C, just to represent the length for small letter, and capital letter is to represent the angle. So means, let's say you're asked to find for sine rule here. We learn about sine rule. So for sine rule class, to find the length, what you need to do is, okay, you can apply like this, huh? A per sine A equal B per sine B. If you want to find the length, you put all the length on top, C per sine C. So from these three, you can choose any two to solve. Maybe these two, or you can choose these two, or these two. Depends on the questions. Later I'll show you how to choose. Yeah? Okay, if you're asked to find the angles, you reciprocally or invert it. Yeah, terbaliknya. So you see, sine A per A. Just terbalik sahaja ya. Sine B per B and sine C per C. So same as this, you can choose any two as equation to solve. Okay, remember, yeah, to get the length or to get the angles. Okay, so means of what? I look at question 1. Okay, this is not so hard for this chapter, yeah? So remember, A per sine A, B per sine B, C per sine C. How you make it? Remember, the length is always, we see opposite the angle. Okay, look at question 1. So for question 1, all the information are given. You're asked to find one. So, okay, look at here. You're asked to find the length of PQ. Yeah, just I say, right, if you want to find length, PQ. So you apply PQ per PQ, right? PQ, see the opposite angle? So sine 71 degree 5 minute. The given degree and minute, so you follow the degree and minute. Yeah? Sine 71 degree 5 minute. Okay, got it? And you choose, just like I said, got 3 groups, right? You choose the 2 that's suitable. So, okay, we don't choose this one because the length and also the angle not given. So we choose this one, can you see? 5.463 per sine 2430. Okay, so this is what I showed you just now, right? How to get or how to apply with sine rule. So means always remember the length, then you make it per opposite the angle. Same, another one, length, opposite the angle. Okay, next, to get PQ, you shift this up here to multiply. So apply with the calculator, 5.463 divided by this, multiply with this. Okay, so try to solve this and see what did you get for number 1A. Yes, you are right, 12.46. Okay, good. Yes, so remember just I had explained to you how to apply the sine rule. Yeah, sine rule means A per sine A equal to B per sine B equal to C per sine C that I have written just now. Okay, now we look at B. Length of RQ. Okay, class, we have found here PQ. That is 12.46. Now we're going to find the length of RQ. Okay, just I see, right, the formula, yeah, length of RQ. The formula for sure you must have length. Okay, yeah, you see RQ. Let's say you want to find the RQ. RQ, this length, you see the opposite angle? Opposite angle must be sine P. Sine P. But P not given. P not given. But you can find, right? Because one angle, triangle is 180. Then 2 already given, right? So you apply 180 minus this 2. 180 minus this 2, you get the angle here. You get the angle here. So you substitute here. Okay, so continue, yeah, class. RQ per sine P equal, here any. Then you can make it 12.46 per sine this or 5.463 per sine this. Any one of it will do. Okay, or you want to follow just now one? 5.463 per sine 2430. Okay, then do the same thing. You shift this up to find the length of RQ. Yeah, so for you that already found, you let me know your answer. Yeah, first you get the angle of P first, huh? And let me know what is the answer that you get, okay? Okay, got students that sending the answer. Wait now, let me check. Yes, 13.11, you're right. Okay, good job. Any of you can't get this, you let me know. 13.11 cm. Yes. Any of you need help? Any of you need help? Can get another all of you? Can follow? Yes, okay, good. Can follow, yeah. So can I go question 2? Still need the solution, class? So I delete, yeah? Okay, so before I continue, for you that join late, please see here again. So to get the sine rule, okay, always remember, when I ask to find the length or when I ask to find the angle, actually these two is the same, it's just that we make it the reciprocal only. Yeah, invert only. Yeah, to make it upside down only. Okay? So yeah, so always when we see the length, we make it opposite one. A per sine A. B per sine B. Okay, C per sine C. See that? I choose any two to solve. Or let's say you want to find the angle, you make it reciprocal or invert it. So memorize the first formula, okay? And now we go question 2. Ready for question 2? Yeah. Right, look at question 2, yeah? Okay, the diagram shows a triangle STU. So given the height, why? Why given the height? What is the use of the height? If you given the height, we'll see y given. So you see, height here. So if given a height, okay, I make it 90-degree one. So you can draw this also, class. Draw the height. And what is the use? Later I explain to you. Okay, look at it. So, you're asked to determine whether the ambiguous case exists. Apakah maksud? Yeah, class. Very important for this because for this chapter, came up quite many times already to ask the ambiguous case. Apakah maksud ambiguous case ini? So means the sign rule. This is related to the sign rule that we use, and then to see whether we can have two different triangles. Class, how to determine the existence of ambiguous case? Like, first of all, memorize these few rules. Class. Wait, So, what I mentioned, for ambiguous case, so you're advised to write down. Ambiguous case, apa yang kamu perhatikan di sini? First of all, take note. It must what? It must have two sides. Two sides are known. Mesti ada dua sisi. Okay, we see, yes, two sides are known. Two sides are known. What else? Three cases that you must know. Two sides are known, and then advice to write down, class, because you need this to explain. A non-concluded angle that is an acute angle. Apakah maksud non-concluded? Okay, concluded means we got two sides. Okay, let's say concluded bermaksud ada dua sisi tercangkung. Two sides here. Given side, let's say we got A, we got B. We know these two sides, then this angle. This angle, we call it concluded angle. Concluded. But this one is non-concluded. Concluded is here. Concluded angle must be two sides that given. Kita sebut sebagai sudut tercangkung. This is concluded. Yeah, concluded angle. And here is non-concluded angle. Got it? So know how to say concluded angle already? Two sides given. So means they have one angle here. So for ambiguous case, case 1, case 2, see that? So we must have non-concluded. Okay, any non-concluded that given? Sudah betul. One more. One more is what? One more is, okay, the angle that given must be acute, that I have mentioned. That I have mentioned here. Okay, next. Side that given, this side that given, okay, for example, the height, yeah, side A. Let's say this one, I name it A, this one, I name it B, or what, right? Okay, so wait, I write here first. If this is A, let's say ini angle A, ini, not angle, sorry, this is side A. Let's say this is side C, and this is H, this is H. So which means that class, side A is between side A, side A must be between what? Must be one more, side A here. Must be longer than this one. Must be longer than H. I repeat, side A must be longer than H. And side A must be between, can draw between here. Can draw between C and H. Okay, so means, explain like this first, okay, I draw one line here first so that you won't confuse, class. Meaning that you can have one isosceles triangle. See, this is side A. I can draw one line here. Okay, I can draw one line here. That is isosceles triangle. One line that can be drawn here. Of course, if this one is longer than this, right? See, longer than this, then can be drawn here one. So I bring the A inside here. I bring the side A, because it's isosceles triangle that can be drawn. So you explain that. Another one is side A is between the height H and C. Side A is between H and C. But I say between means what, you know? The length, the length. See, side A. What I meant side, so be the length. The length A, okay? The length A. This is A, unknown, not A. Jangan salah faham, This is not A. This is A. Side A is between H and C. I mean the length. So if you can see these three cases that occur, meaning that the ambiguous case exists. Okay, now so class, look at my question 2. First of all, we see determine first. How to determine? Okay, two sides are known, yes. Non-concluded angle and it's acute angle. And you see this one, A. Okay, I mean the shorter one, the shorter one must be, okay, between these two lengths. The height, okay. So you can say that means can be drawn, can be drawn like that. Okay, now. Got what I mean? That's right, it's between, right? Yes. Excuse me, class. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, now so class A, right? Now, so for this case, A, you're asked to determine. So for A, you write down yes. The answer is yes. Then after that, state the condition, right? Then the conditions that you have known here. The conditions is what I asked you to type. Okay, two sides are known. The non-concluded angle is an acute angle. Okay, and then you say, when I explain, you say what do you know? 2.56. When I explain, you say sine 2.56 is between 2.1014 and 4.392. So now this one is between, right? Okay, can see 2.56 lies between these two. Okay, lies between these two, the height and also the other length that given. So this is how you explain, state the conditions of its existence. Got what I mean? Or you can write like this, other than these two, you have written these two, right? For this case, okay, you see your A lies between the height that given and also the other length that given. So this is what we say the conditions of the length of the other side, okay? So see, you're asked to draw two possible triangles if the ambiguous case that exists. So ambiguous case that exists. So I have drawn one for you. Can you see that? Case 3. Lena. So B, number 1. Non-concluded, all this, right? So, okay. Case 3, then you draw this one. You draw one line here, like what I have drawn to show you. Exactly. You draw this line. Then you write down here, U prime. The U, TU is here. Another line that you can draw is TU prime. Okay, you can draw between the height there and isosceles triangle. Okay. Can I have a response for you that join online? Can understand my explanation for the ambiguous case? Or any of you that want me to repeat? Understand all of you? Can I have a response? If you can, if you can't, also you let me know. Some that not yet giving me any response. Okay, good. Kenna. Kenna, okay, good. Yes, okay, good. Yes, okay, good. So Kenna, okay. So remember the way, later we still have these questions, how to draw the ambiguous case, okay? And now we continue the other questions, So can I delete all these first? Yeah, next, get ready to question 3. Okay, look at question 3. PQR is a triangle. Okay, so we sketch first, Right, you follow my one to sketch this triangle first. But you're asked to draw two different triangles based on the measurement given. How to draw the other one? Just now, the first question, actually, okay, you're asked to draw the two possible. By right is to separate one, right? But I show you number 1, I just draw a line there. In exam, if you're asked to draw two different triangles, how you do, okay, class, you remember this one? I say you can draw one here, one right. You assume that there is a height here. Okay, you assume that there is a height here. Then you draw another line that is here. See that? Another line that is here. Means that this is the R prime. R prime with the same length. Okay, so class, in exam, what you need to do, you're asked to draw two. So you see, I copy the other one. So you need to do like this, One is a green one. The other one you draw like this. P, Q, R prime with the conditions that no change, you see? Okay? Here still 5.5. Here still 10 cm. I mean the information that given. Here still remain 32. So now how to get ready? So means how you draw. Okay, classes, I show you, right? So when you draw, okay, then the green one, and another one is the blue one, where you get the R prime from here. So you know how to sketch already? Those that given, you make it one height here. With the isosceles triangle, you draw the other length here. So you get two different triangles based on the measurement that given. See, based on the measurement, I didn't change anything. Based on the measurement, QR tak diberikan. Yeah, just given PQ and PL. So everything I follow, you see? See that? Okay. After you have drawn, we see the questions. So what I asked to do? Okay, find the two possible values for P, R, Q. You are asked to find these two possible values. Mana dia? Okay, class. This one frequently asked in exam. P, R, Q. One acute, one obtuse. That's why we said two possible. Two possible. Okay, so class, listen to my explanation. Hold on. I want to show you via my calculator. And for your information, next Friday got no class. Actually, next Tuesday, Wednesday, next 29, 30, 31st. 29, 30, 31st is our fifth Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that one, we got no class one. And Friday, compulsory for us for Deepavali. So Friday, we stop one day. So means for my MX, next Friday, we got no class. Yeah. Okay. Take note of that. Yeah. Okay, I'm back here. So means for my one, Tuesday, no math. Friday, also no MX. Okay, and some of you Thursday got BM1, also got no class. Yeah. Okay, nice. So class, find the two possible values. Like, listen to me. How are you going to do? Okay, based on just how I taught you already by using what? Sine rule. Want to find this one, Sine rule, yeah, class? Okay, see here. PRQ. Wait, Okay, you apply sine PRQ. This an angle, right? Per 10. The opposite one, per 10. So another one given, sine 32. Make sure, yeah, if you place angle on top, length below, all must follow angle on top, length below. Okay, shift the 10 up. Shift the 10 up. Okay, that class, I'm going to show you how. Actually, this one you learn some already. And listen to me. Okay. Sine 32. Yeah, you're using MS, EX the same. Divided by 5.5. Then shift this up times 10. Okay, so you get this value. Copy the value first, class. You get 0.9635. 9635. Okay, so listen carefully, class. What I'm going to show you. First of all, you have to get the acute angle. Your calculator will show acute angle for 0.9635. Okay, see how I do? Shift, learn in Form 3, shift, sine, the answer just now. Shift, sine, the answer. Okay, see what I have? 74. Because the question given all in angle, okay, degree and minute, so I follow. Actually, I want to leave your answer in degree only, but I follow the questions. Okay, class, see? 74, 28. So you notice in the class, I didn't put this angle yet. I make it alpha as I call it corresponding reference angle. I make alpha as corresponding reference angle that I get from calculator. Why I said this so is because of, you remember you learned in Form 3, AST DC, sign that positive here and here. We got sign that positive here, another one here. So means we got two possibility. Here means acute, corresponding reference angle. Here means 180 minus. So class, okay, when I copy, listen. When I copy angle PRQ, listen carefully. First, I copy the acute angle. Then another one, or another one, second quadrant, you apply 180 minus, okay, see, 180 minus the answer. Okay, I got 10532 because this one, I taught you before, 1 degree, 60 minutes. 1 degree is 60 minutes. Here, if starting from 30 and above, you round off here. You round off as 1. So the answer is 105.32. 105.32. Okay, got it until here, class? Take note, this one can be round off, can be round off. So, okay, then the two possible values, then I got the answer ready. So these are the two possible values when you have the ambiguous case that occur. One is acute, one is obtuse. This is acute, this is obtuse. Okay, class, got it what I mean, yeah? So write down anything that needed. Remember how you draw the triangle for ambiguous case and how you calculate the angle for ambiguous case. Take note of that, yeah? How is it, class? Can I say? Remember, when you come to the calculator here, whatever that you get sign, when you key in shift sign, you get the first answer. This is acute one. Then you see the question mentioned about ambiguous case. If ambiguous case means you get 180 minus this one to get another one. But sometimes question will just say that, oh, acute only or obtuse. So if acute only, how you apply? If obtuse, how you apply? If question said two possible, so you apply like that. Okay, can follow so far, class? Yes, okay, good. Yeah, yes, okay, good. Okay, get ready to my question 4 now, class. Can I delete or still need the solution? Any of you still? Okay, look at question 4. The diagram shows a triangle. So I delete now, class. Okay, now look at this. The diagram shows a triangle of ABC. Calculate BAC. Okay, you follow just now the sine rule. Yeah, the sine rule that I taught you just now, class. Okay, see how you do. This one is very easy, yeah. For the start, I show you quite many examples. I try to show you. But after that, I want you to try some, yeah. So how you do? BAC, right? Yeah. Okay, so class, if you want to find BAC, listen, you must have the length here. But no length given what? No length given. So how? How are you going to do? Tak ada yang diberikan. So what I can do is, from what that is given, I check and see what I can find. Then what I can find here, right? Okay, I name it theta, let's say. So here, for the start, I know that I can find sine theta. Up to you, you can tell BCA, you can tell theta. You let it be theta, tak apa, ya. Then sine theta per 8 sine 125/17. Okay, class, you do like just now. Okay, shift this up, multiply to get the decimal and get the angle of theta. Class, can be seen that here is acute. So there's no need for you to do the obtuse just now, tak payah. No need to get 180 minus. Okay, find this first. Then I show you how. I show you how to get the angle of BAC. Yeah, of course, right? When you get theta, you want to find angle BAC. You can get already, right? 180 minus this 2. 180 minus this 2, you can get this. We can't get direct. Why? BC not given. In SPM, in Addition-X, it's not that easy direct for you, huh? Yeah, you shift first. Sine 125/17 times 8. Yes, you're right. Okay, good. Ya, ada murid yang sudah tunjukkan saya nilai ini. Yes. Shift sign, shift sign. Yes, 22. Good. Yeah, I like you to give me the response at that. Very good. Yeah, 2240. Okay lah. 2240, 180 minus these two class. 180 minus these two, you can get the answer. Yes, 3220. You are right. Okay, the rest of you, no response one. Make sure you know how to do. Some that give me the response, very good. Okay, can follow? Actually, this one is like question 1. It's just that not given direct. Boleh faham? Yeah, okay, next. Wait, let me see if more or less the same. I'll let you try. Okay, have a try question 5 and see. Have a try question 5. I write some solution to show you, okay? Guide you how to do. Same lah, anything that given, you refer, then nak cari KLM. KLM. I think information cukup lah, because the length is given. Yeah, can go direct, yes. Okay, keep doing. Fine and see, fine. And can we see that KLM is obtuse? Can you see that? Sorry, acute number. So if it's acute, you do direct acute one. No need to get 180 to minus, okay? So I write the answer here. If you couldn't get, you let me know, yeah? If you can get the answer, okay, direct to proceed to question 6 and so on. Yeah, because all this 9.1 is we use a sign rule. Once you couldn't get, you let me know, yeah, for number 5, one by one, yeah, class? If you have done, you let me know, yeah, so that I can show you to guide you number 6. So I hope for you that join online, give me some response, so that easier for me to explain to you, to know whether you have done, to know whether you know or do not know how to do. Yes, okay, good. So if you have done, you get all correct, then you can proceed to question 6. Any help for question 5? For students that have done and then can get the answer, any help? Okay, done or still, class? Siapa still? So I ask you, siapa still? If no answer means all done, yeah? Okay, no questions, yeah, guys? Okay, keep on question 6. Then to get the length of PQ. Same like just now, right? PQ, look at here, PQ per sine 39. So 63, you cannot apply 63 because the length is not here. So you can find this angle, right? You get 180 minus this 2, you can find this angle because you got 12.9. Okay, now find the PQR first. Find PQR, then you can get the length of PQ. Yeah, number 6 is not that hard, huh? What I meant to find this length first, this angle first. After you found this, then you can apply PQ, the sine 39. So 12.9 per sine PQR. Sine PQR, you get 180 to minus, yeah? And then you place here. Then after that, shift sine 39 to get PQ. Yes, 8.3. Good job. Yeah, the murid yang sudah dapat 8.3. It's quite easy, right? Yeah, just shift this up. Okay, good. Here's 78. 180 minus what? 180 minus. So 8.3 cm. Okay, good. Continue. Question 7 now. Keep on, Sadhana, are you there, Sadhana? Because I asked you and sent via the chat box, so you didn't have any reply. Can follow or not? Is it okay? Sadhana, can follow or not? Yes, okay. Next, we go question 7. Listen to me. Question 7, I help you a bit because question 7, ada sedikit perbezaan where you got two triangles here. Okay, di sana kelas. You're asked to find ACB. We check and see the information enough, kan? Okay lah, cukup. Why? Sin ACB per 30, sin 30 per 7. Maklumat cukup. So we can find this direct. Okay, next. We check the other one. So we see the other one, CAD. CAD cukup tak? Maklumat cukup tak? Okay, we check and see whether the maklumat cukup atau tidak CAD. CAD, let's say you want to find this angle, you must have this length. But we don't have this length. We don't have this length. Okay, tak apa. We don't have this length. We make use of the other information that given. We find this angle. Can I find this angle? Yes, what you see? This sin this per 5 and sin this per 7. So if I can find this one, 180 minus these two, then I can get this. Okay, it's more or less like just now the question is not direct one. Okay, let's keep on. Sorry. ACB. Can be seen that ACB, class. The ACB you can see is obtuse, because shown this one bigger already. So later you get a corresponding reference angle. Then after that you get 180 to minus, But the BCA is acute. You must see the diagram, Oh, sorry. CAD, not CAB. Okay, class. Sorry. Yes, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. ACB. ACB, I think just now I make this mistake already. Okay, I'm sorry. Should be ACB first. Sorry, my mistake. I go and put ACD already. I'm sorry, I changed, Should be ACB. That's why I say I might careless sometimes, right? Yeah, thank you. Yes, good job for these students that alert me. So ACB per 5, not per 13. Yeah, my mistake. Sorry, we see this one. ACB is per 5 one. And sine 77.27. Okay. This is for you to find ACB. ACB acute, yes, acute one. Then after that, CAD. CAD, this one. Okay. Sorry about that, my mistake. So I change this one. ACD. So I go ACD first. I buat terbalik lah ya. ACD obtuse, ACD is obtuse because can be seen clearly there. After you get ACD, to find CAD, you get 180 to minus. Yes, the same thing. I write the answer here. If you couldn't get it, let me know, yeah, guys. ACB 44, 12, 38, 13. Okay, you have done this. You can rest for 5 minutes, huh? Okay, then done question 7. Any of you need help? Can get answer, all of you? Yes, okay, good. So rest for 5 minutes, yeah, guys? Okay, class. You continue, yeah? Get ready, all of you. Now look at question 8. Okay, have a look. So we look at the question first, yeah? Okay, what are given here? QR is 1.5. QR, 1.5 km, yeah? RPQ, yeah, 36, 38. 36 degree, 38 minute. And PQR, there is 94. I think this one is not that hard. You're asked to find the length in PR. PR tak susah lah. Very direct, you see. PR per sine 94 equal to 1.5 per sine 36, 38. Okay, very easy this one. I keep doing. Then just get this, divide this one, multiply with sine 94. Yes, you're right. 25.08. Okay, quite fast. You get the answer. Very good. 25.08. You're right. Okay, good job. Should be okay, right? Number 8 is very direct, compared to just now some questions. Okay, class. Now get ready to question 9. Any that need to write down first before I delete that. Okay, I delete that, class. I get ready. Question 9. Okay, we'll look at the questions. So we are given all this. Wait, let me see. 65 and 24. Angle of depression, angle of elevation, depression that given, yeah? So, okay, let me see. What else that you are given? BC. Okay, BC sudah diberikan di sini. 1.22 km. They also find the distance between village A and village B. Ini tak susah. Why? Because of when you see angle of depression, you apply with a zigzag, remember? Zigzag. Now, when I apply with a zigzag that you learn in Form 3, here you got 24. And also you can find this out, right? 180 minus these two. 180 minus 89, so you got 91. Okay lah, sudah cukup lah information. AB, then you apply AB per sine 91. AB per sine 91, 1.22 per sine 24. Okay, direct to get AB. Yeah, like just now. You don't worry when question given, maybe a few lines like that, the diagram, don't worry, just read and find the key point. Okay, what did you get for AB? Yes, 2.999 km. 2.999 km. Yeah, 3 km also accepted because 999, when you round off, we can make it 3 km. Yes, okay, done for our sine rule. So before I continue the cosine rule, I go through with you, okay, the formula again, class. So remember, yeah, sine rule. Sine rule, when we apply the sine rule, when you see the diagram, okay, then you apply the sine rule. When you are given two sides and the angle that is not non-included angle. Okay, let's say I give you 3 cm here, 4 cm here, not the included angle. I will give you maybe here or here. Okay, one angle like that. Two sides and one non-included angle. So you apply with sine rule. I repeat, two sides and one non-included angle, you apply with the sine rule. Okay? Next, we go cosine rule. So same as usual, before I go cosine rule class, you are given a triangle, two sides with one included angle or three sides. Right? Ada dua jenis. Take note of that. Two sides with one included angle or three sides. No angle given. So take note of when you apply cosine rule. You must know how to see. I repeat, cosine rule ada dua jenis. Two sides with one included angle or three sides. Okay, or three sides. So you apply with cosine rule. So what is the formula for you to get cosine rule, class? Okay, listen to me again. Look at my screen here. Okay, same like just now for cosine rule. Contoh, yeah. Okay, let's say you're given one cosine rule like this. I mean the angle lah, yeah. So let's say I make it ABC, same like just now lah. If A, B, C, like just now. The opposite length, I apply A. Opposite length of B. Opposite length of C. So the formula is like this lah. Okay, let's say you want to find the length. A square. The formula is B square. Write down, so that no need for me to keep showing you the formula. A square is B square plus C square minus, if here BC, right? 2BC. If here A, you tell cos A. So same, if you're asked to find B, so AC. 2AC cos B. So later when you want to find A, you square root the answer, yeah? Square root the answer. Okay, same as C. If C, you make it AB. If here AB, 2AB. Cos C. Yeah, so I repeat, two sides and include the angle and also three sides that given. Okay, class, can you understand here? So basically, if you're asked to find the angle, how I convert it to the angle, yeah, okay, class, see how I shift. You want to shift it later or you want to shift it first, pun boleh. Okay, we see. If I shift this one to the right, 2 BC cos A. So here remain unchanged, B squared plus C squared. If I shift this one over here, I tukar tempat the A. So to get cos A, B squared, C squared minus A squared, here 2BC. And this is how I get cos A or cos B or cos C. The way you shift is the same. Okay, that class? So write down anything that needed first and later I'll guide you how to do. Okay? Yeah, like now. See how I do for this class. Get ready. Okay, look at question 1. Then you're asked to find AC, right? AC, then you follow this formula. Okay, see how I apply, yeah? So you tell the AC square, 4 square plus 6 square minus 2 times 4 times 6 cos 77. Okay, so you apply with the calculator direct, then square root. Square root direct, no need to waste time already to write out all this, tak payah. Once you get from your calculator, you square root the answer. Okay, now keep doing and see. Together we see from the calculator, see how I do it, yeah? Okay, you do 4 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 4 times 6 cos 77. So you tell equal first. You got this right. Up to you. Up to you. Let's say you want to copy this down first, pun boleh lah. Up to you. If you want to copy down for double checking later, up to you, yeah? What I meant just now, if you don't want to copy like this, understood like that, you go square root the answer. Okay, square root the answer, then you get 6.42. 6.42 or 6.419 pun boleh. Yeah, up to you because question didn't mention how many significant figure or how many decimal places. So 6.42 or 6.419. Okay, got it, class? So remember the way, yeah? Okay, save, write down anything that needed. So this is one of the example to find length. To find length. Later, number 2 is to find angle, where you got obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. I will show you. I will show you how, eh? Okay, can I go question 2 now, class? Yes, okay. Now listen to me. Question 2. So obtuse, obtuse, remember when you see obtuse for cosine one, how I get for the cosine one. Okay, 3 sides, right? 3 sides, So you're asked to find M and L. M and L. Okay, we find this first. We find this first, M and L. Okay, like class, see how I do? Ready? Yeah, okay, so we see here. M and L. Sometimes, class, if you are lazy to keep writing M and L, MLN, you can let it. Okay, let's say I let it be theta. Later, only I change boleh one. You can let it be theta, you can let it be alpha or X or Y, anything, or you just follow this one pun boleh. Okay, right, see how I do, yeah? So, to get, wait, here 3 square, M and L. So you ask to find MNL, MLN, and NML. Mana-mana satu pun boleh. Okay, anak-anak, mana-mana satu pun boleh. So I start with this one, 11 square. See, 11 square, the opposite one. See the opposite one, Okay, follow the formula just now. 11 square is 3 square plus 9.83 square minus 2 times 3, 9.83. I hope we have copied the formula just now, yeah? Cos theta. You can follow just how you shift, then only substitute. Or here I substitute first, then only I shift. Okay, see just now, remember I shift this one over here. 2 times 3, 9.83 cos theta, 3 square, 9.83 square. Okay, I shift the whole thing here. Then 11 tukar tempat. So remember just now? That if you can understand well this one, you can go direct, you know, class. This one, see how I do? Direct here. Direct to move it down. Tak payah buang masa. 2, 3, 9.83. Remember just how I show you that? You can do like this formula. And just on the red ones, you remember? Yeah? Okay. I'm back here. So you can find from a calculator. Okay, let's see, class. This one a bit different with the sine rule one, because here, sine rule, just like you want to get the obtuse, you have to 180 minus. But for this, okay, you get from the calculator and see. 3 square plus 9.83 square. For you, that careless one, you're advised to do like this. See how I do? You get like this first, right? Put equal first. Letak equal dulu. Then baru you divide 2 times 3 times 9.83. You get the top answer, then only you divide the bottom answer. Okay, can you see 0. Negative? Nampak negative? Negative 0.2606. Because this is cosine with a negative, you go shift cos, answer, okay? It will show you automatically obtuse angle for cosine. Okay? For cosine, will show you automatically, not like sine. Sine, you still have to use 180 to minus, okay? So here, theta, you write down 105 degree. Let me change, change to minute. There, change to minute, 6 minutes. Here, just I mentioned, right, 30 only round off. 30 above only round off, yeah? So I dapat 105.6. Okay, done, yeah? But question mentioned M and L. You let it be theta, so you are advised to recopy M and L. Okay? Got it, class? So you listen to me here. I look at here. After you got this already, class, once you get this angle, 105.6. Once you get this angle already, you no need to repeat the cosine rule. You can follow the sine rule because sine rule easier than cosine rule, they're quite long. What I meant is, okay, see, MLN, MNL. So see, class, if I want to find M and L, wait, sorry. Should be what, the second one? MLN, MLN, this one. MLN, right? Okay, let's say I name it alpha. That's why I name it theta. Okay, so you can apply sine rule already, you see, sine alpha per 3. So remember, this one sine rule, sine alpha per 3, then sine 105.6 per 11. Now, okay, you do like just now. Got it, class? Okay, have a try and see sine alpha. Get this to, wait, I'll show you. Okay, sine 105 degree, 6 minutes. Divide 11, nampak divide 11? Okay, next, you times 3. Okay, so I dapat 0.2633. So class, remember just I mentioned, yeah. So to get alpha, the diagram you can see clearly is acute angle, shift, sine, the answer. Back to just now. 15, 16. Nampak? 15, 16? Okay, I got this answer ready. 15, 16. So class, you get this already, right? So you rewrite this is angle and LM. Okay, we can go to the third one. Angle and ML. No need to waste time to apply sine rule or cosine rule, right? Direct 180 minus the 2 that you found. Yeah, just minus this 2, direct. Okay. Yeah, I got 59.38, yes. So means that class, once you apply the cosine rule, so you get one of it already, you check and see whether you can use sine rule or not. Because sine rule easier than cosine rule. Okay, got it, class? Yes, okay. So now, write down anything that needed. Okay, you try question 3. Have a try question 3. Can I delete, class? Yes, okay. Yeah. If you're asked to find the smallest angle, it's opposite the shortest length. Smallest angle, then here. Shortest length will form smallest angle. Of course, largest angle will get from opposite the largest length. Smallest angle here, I let it be theta. You let it be theta. Largest one, you can let it be this one, alpha or anything, up to you, yeah? So if three sides given, none of the angle inside given, so you have to apply cosine rule, yeah, like just now. When you find A via the cosine rule, you come to B, you can use sine rule. And see, I let the angle here be alpha. So I let it be alpha. You can see it's obtuse, yeah? So you just, because for sine, just I say, right, once you see it's obtuse, you get shift from the calculator already. You use 180 to minus. Don't forget, huh? I had mentioned a few times already. Okay, try to solve and see. If you couldn't get, you let me know, yeah, class? Yeah, you get the shift sign from here, you get a cubed one. Always for sine, you get a cubed one. If the question show is acute, you copy direct. If the question show is obtuse, you use 180 to minus what you get from the calculator, okay? How can get a class? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Any of any help? Or any of you still? So done all, yeah, class? Any of you still or not? Okay, so we go question 4. I look at question 4. So we got 2 triangles here. So don't worry about 2 triangles. Okay, first of all, we check and see. Length AC. You're asked to find length AC. See this triangle? The 2 sides with 1 subtended or included angle. Yeah, so I know that I can apply what? Cosine rule, yeah? Okay, so you do AC square. Remember just now? Okay, apply AC square, 9 square, like just now, exactly like just now. So remember just I mentioned, you can go direct. When you get this already, direct to square root because you want to get AC square root, okay? Wait, let me explain first. Then after you get AC already, class, you're asked to find AD. So you're asked to find AD. Okay, you got AC, right? See my cursor AC sudah ada. With this, then we have another subtended or included angle. So for section B juga tak susah. You go direct, same thing, AD square, right? AD square, you make use of 4 and AC. 4 square and AC square. 4 square and AC square. Then you get from here. Okay, the AC square. Yeah? Cos 55. Okay, same thing, class. Square root your answer. Okay, try this student, see. I got 18.25 here. And here I got 16.29. See, you can get this both or not. And this one is not that hard, right? Yeah. Okay, done, yeah? Okay, yes. Okay, continue number 5. So I keep trying, huh? Later only I give you the answer, yeah? Keep trying. Hey, sorry for waiting, class. How any of you, oh, wait, I show you the answer. Just a moment, yeah? Okay, see any of you need help or not? The largest one, just I see, right? The largest one is see from the longest length, yeah? The answer is 99 degree, 9 minute. Okay, any of you need help? Any of you need help for number 5? Can get, right? Yes, okay, good, can get. Any of you can't get? Yeah, you apply like just now, right? 16 square equal to 10 squares, remember? Yeah, you just follow like this, huh? Okay, you apply 16 square, 10 square, plus 11 square, cos theta. And then still remember I said cos theta, then you apply the figure here, and then shift cos, shift cos. So you can see that it's obtuse angle. I said for cos, direct you can get from a calculator, because here, if it's obtuse, the value here, you will get the negative value. Yes, I can get, okay, good. Okay, any of you couldn't get that want me to show you all the steps? Can I keep trying? Same, 16, you're asked to find the smallest one. Okay, wait, let me show you. So you can sketch a triangle shape, suitable. Of course, like we see, depends on the conditions. You're asked to get the smallest one. Let's say ABC. We see which one is the longest one. AC, right? So you can sketch AC 13, AB 9, BC 6. So now you're asked to find the smallest angle. Smallest angle, okay? This one. The shortest length. So we can find the theta like just now, do same thing, and then you tell me what to get. Yeah, this one you try. I'm not going to give you the answer. You yourself, after you finish, you let me know what did you get, if you have done. Yeah, the same. You put 6 square like just now. Yeah, 6 square. You want to find this, right? 13 square plus 9, 2, 13, 9, cos theta. You don't have to tell theta, you tell direct CAB is okay one. Yeah, then after that, same thing, right? Yeah, I say there's no need for you. If you don't want to tell theta, you can apply CAB. It's the same, okay, now? If you tell theta later, you re-explain CAB will do. Yeah, if you have done, you let me know what is the answer that you get, class. Yes, good. You're right. Okay. Ada satu murid yang sudah hantar. Yes, it's 2352. Betul. Good job, The smallest angle is 2352. Okay, you're right. Okay, can get class? Yes, okay, good. So now, class, I briefly explained to you 7 and 8. Then these two I leave as homework for you. Yeah. So for question 7, you're asked to find BCD. This angle, right? BCD. So how you can apply? Okay, see AD 4, BC 4. Actually, this is 3 sides that are given. So the same thing, you want to find this angle. You put 7 square equal to 6 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 6 times 8 cos BCD. Okay? So you do the same thing, you see you can get this and that. I write the answer here, so you work out and see whether you can get 57. Write down the answer after you have solved, you see whether you can get this and that. Next, you're asked to get BD. You're asked to get BD. No length, no angle given. Once you find this one only, right? So, okay, wait now. Because if you get this 57, 55. And now question asks you to find BD, you still cannot use the sign rule because the information BD like this information tak cukup lah. Because these two 4 and 6 with the included angle, you still have to use cosine. Okay, still have to use cosine. Meaning that cosine, you put BD squared equal to 6 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 6 times 4 cos this one. Okay? Yeah, so write down 5.148 cm. This one is not hard. Both you use cosine rule. Okay, look at number 8. Once you see like this class, remember for this chapter is sine rule, cosine rule that related to the triangle. You draw one line here. Okay, by drawing the line here, so you want to find x, right? You want to find x, you get the cosine rule, you find AC first. After you get AC already, then you can find angle x. Okay, it's cosine rule also. So now you draw one line. Got it? Yeah, so answer for question 8, you write down 78 degree, 31 minutes. Can you understand? So 9 and 10, I'm not going to explain. 9 and 10, you see the diagram, you feel that, but is it complicated or what? No, actually 9 and 10 is a word problem solving. It's very easy. 9 and 10, you just need to get the triangle, these two triangles out. You just fill everything that given, follow the cosine rule, you get the answer. Okay? So you write down number 9, the answer is 162.4 meter. And number 10, you get the angle of 89.49. Okay, so Miss Class, I leave these 4 questions for you. 7, starting from 7 until 10 as your homework, yeah? And then next Friday, okay, we got no class, yeah? Okay, see you. You're allowed to leave, yeah? See you, bye-bye.